Welcome back to Balabas Gist.
Everybody wey believe in one Nigeria wey from southeast don shokotalize. No be small tin o, as Tinubu government don remove southeast for the whole budget of 2025 budget wey im do. Nothing dis man allocate come for southeast. As the House of Assembly dey pass am o, na dis our brother come stand up come dey ask dem wetin dey happen and which kind justice wey be dis one. We remember that all the whole prophecy of Nnamdi Kanu are coming to pass. As e stand right now, the northern Nigeria say the Tinubu no go rule come the next election, and una know wetin go be. Tinubu no go gree, and e go lead to make everybody carry chair go im papa hand. Many people come dey talk maybe na because of dis thing na im make Tinubu dey carry some budget dey go for inside the Yoruba land. However, we go play the two video wey we watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch this full
you now see
videos.
what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. The northern leaders, they say they can't wait. They want to come out Tinubu and take over. Nigeria does not belong to this Fulani, so now Tinubu go be the last president, make him be the last president, make everybody they own. Make them they their own, they were own. There's no problem. They say they plenty pastors. Let me shock you, they're not plenty pastors. Most of the votes coming from the north, the Niger vote. It is to see how these so-called brothers, they are so wicked. They allow people to enter their state, vote. After I go tell you, say they plenty pastors. Nigeria, when I wake up. Back when I wake up, because it's nonsense where this northern leader they do. My noise is that they are not even the real Hausa. That's my problem. All the governors from the north, they make all these noise, all they're all Fulanis. They come as they are open door for other people to come vote. Now they don't turn leaders. They so. Jagaban, he go finish it. He go finish this election. When I say Muslim, we not complain. When I celebrate, throw away party, dance a willow, dance makosa. Now, the same when they talk say Jagaban not good, you know we go say container. We won't left and not say no, but again Nigeria. Look at these people. You can't just come and decide. Decide for who are they people decide for which people? Who they that not there? Who are those leaders? Who be those people say northern leaders? Where are they? Where will I imagine beggar full everywhere for those Nigeria, all the Hausa. All the Hausa, everywhere you go. You can never see any Christian boy, any Christian child, they beg anywhere, apart from those people. So what are people leading? Now you cannot maintain your place and hold your place and care for your people. Now to come outside every time they cause problem for this country, say another leader, another leaders. I don't rule this country more than 40-something years. Nothing to show for North. Nobody can go to North and open even a business, pure water business in the North. Yes, now no one leave this country. Make this country breathe. I rest my matter there. Make una take time.
Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is a national budget. We have to look at it critically. Mr. Speaker, I want to bring the attention of the House in this item 281, Light Rail, Kano, Ogun, Lagos. Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is a national budget. We have to look at it critically. It's not for a particular state, Mr. Speaker. The southeast need to be included. That is my point of order, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. Your observation. I am sure in the course of the year there might be...
Mr. Speaker, no other time. It is now. Let us do it now. Mr. Speaker, observation.
They are already ongoing now.
Yours is noted, Honorable, and will bring it to the attention of Mr. President.
Order.
In the near future, we'll ensure that that balancing is done, okay? Please, let's make progress.
Order, please. Order, please.
Border communities infrastructure carried. Military barracks accommodation carried.
The event has already overtaken it.
Total capital supplementation carried. Total capital
Observation, Mr. Speaker. South for the rail. South. Decorum, please. My highly esteemed colleagues, decorum, please. Let's maintain some kind of decorum, please.
Order, please. When I'm talking, you are not supposed to also be talking. You can only raise your voice and expect to be recognized. But it's not good when we are talking, you are also talking. It's very dishonorable to us. Please. I have made my own statement or remark concerning that particular observation, and what I said is that we would bring this to the attention of Mr. President. Likely there may be another, supplementary within the year. If that kind of opportunity unfolds, we will make sure that this request is channeled. Okay?
Another observation, sir.
Thank you very much. What observation?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's still on item 282, light rails. I think it didn't indicate anything, so it's an observation.
Pardon?
Something has been omitted. 282.
Which one is that? 280?
No, 282. Light rails.
Light rails.
So no
right?
location, nothing. So
Pardon?
no location, no designation, just light rails.
Light rail is the...
But all of them has money. Even that point has money again. Look at it.
It's a mistake.
But
all the ones under that one are the light rail provisions.
Look at it there. Okay.
The ones under it are the provisions, okay? Thank you.
Observation, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, observation, please.
Revert back to plenary
Observation.
to report progress.
Mr. Speaker, observation, please. My observation has to do with 267, Nigeria Intelligence Agency, NIA.
267.
267, sir. 267.
After this, we will not consider any other.
No. We are not. 267, sir.
Let me just give him the benefit. What is the problem?
Yes, the problem is the amount allocated for an hospital.
Pardon?
Amount allocated for an hospital for an agency. Well, no, it doesn't make sense, sir. For us to have, for the budget to appropriate 238 billion for an hospital for an agency, when we allocated 137 billion for renewable power station.
If you have that observation before we reach that number,
yes,
you should have raised.
I have been saying observation, sir. You didn't listen to us.
But we have already hit the gavel. And that
very
means
wrong,
the House has taken a position on it.
It's okay.
So sorry about it, please.
You omitted 277, which is the recapitalization of bank industry. And also to remind Mr. Speaker,
We omitted.
you didn't call it, yes sir. You didn't mention it.
You didn't mention it.
And equally to lend my voice, Mr. Speaker, the exclusion of the Southeast
Can I see?
in the rail and roads from that infrastructure, Mr. Speaker, is one about fairness and one with historical implications for unity and development of Nigeria. Mr. Speaker, I'm taking you by your words that maybe by the supplementary budget, the Southeast will be fully captured in the roads and rail infrastructures.
Yeah.
And any other zone that is excluded, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As una don watch that video, una don see national budget and none of Southeast zone are captured in that budget. Una don see train station Lagos, Kaduna, Gombe, even to Niger. No one come Southeast and you go open your mouth dey toss one Nigeria, Nnamdi Kanu should drop Biafra, because you are getting peanut from the government. Na Amadioha na aga map you and your family issue there. Una don see am. Make you stand up go talk. They no go fit talk, because if they talk, that one wey dey chop, they go comot am for their mouth. Abeg una share this video. No people talk am una, so we say na we go carry am come give una, una see wetin dey happen. No forget say you see there for Balaba gist. Share the video.